Hello, guys, and welcome to your market report. Glad to have you guys here. Now, for the next couple of days, it might not be any market report. I'm not sure. Monday or Tuesday, not sure. I have to wait and see. I'm going to be traveling a little bit, taking a little bit of vacation, and I'm not so absolutely certain just exactly. Probably by midweek, we'll have the market report back on again. And thank you guys for being patient, and we're going to try to get back at it as soon as possible. So a little couple days hiatus, and we'll see you guys probably around midweek. Now, listen, we got to get right into the markets here this morning. Let's turn on the charts right here, and let's get started with silver and see what silver's doing. We're having troubles with silver. Silver's gone down 14 cents today. Now, I really don't like to see this, but this is what's happening. Silver price is losing steam a little bit. Let's take a look at the gold price today. And we're down $9.50. It's broken out of its range to the downside now, which is bad news, So now let's take a look at cryptocurrency, and let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Well, it's doing absolutely nothing, basically. It's basically the same price it's been for days now. But sometimes, to hold your price is a good thing, amidst turbulent markets. Let's go back a few days and take a look how it's been doing, like over a longer period of time. See, once we went down here into this range, we've been going along sideways for a few days now. That's what we can see. And we take a look at cryptocurrency market capitalizations. We're looking at $121 billion today with Bitcoin dominance of 52.5%. And all the coins are basic. Oh boy, it's a mixed bag. Look at this. One green, one red, one green, one red. But there's very marginal movement in the coins today. It's really what you'd call a mixed bag. Okay? Let's take a look now at the stock market. No, first this is sweet light crude oil. We're going to take a look at it first. Looks like we're up one. Oh, just a second. Gee, I lost my page here, for crying out loud. How did that happen? Crude oil. Crude oil's up today. Okay, here we go. We're up $1.37, 2.63%. It's $53.44 for sweet light crude oil. So we're into a little bit. I'm starting to watch this now. I thought that the bear market was continuing this. I'm starting to watch it now a little bit. I'm going to have to look into it and find out what's given this positive action back into crude oil. I'm going to have to check into it. The Dow Jones today, definitely on the positive side. We got a little bit of a rally going on. 172 points. Well, 170 points up now. I'll tell you, the Chinese stimulus program, this is part of the reason why the Dow is rallying today, is on this new Chinese stimulus. They've injected billions and billions and billions into their economy, and so China's central bank is pouring money in. Why can't these other central banks pitch in? What's wrong with them? Keep the world economy afloat. I mean, there's no other choice. What are they going to do? Let it go down the tubes? Well, that's an option, but let's kick the can further. Once you get into this thing of go ahead and stimulating your economy, you can never stop. You can't stop. Because, well, you can stop if you want to see the world cascade into failure, but you can never really stop. And this is the thing. Here, let's take a look at this. Bonds and rates. And we're seeing, I've been waiting for this for a while. I knew this was coming. Bond yields are on the rise, and I mean, they're ticking up big time today. We're seeing a big day in bonds today. 5-year. Almost 3.5 basis points, so it's the leader. But the 10-year, not bad either, 0.25% up, so 2.5 basis points up on the 10-year. I knew this was coming. Here they go, boys. We're off to the races. Well, very possibly off to the races. and the bond yields are starting to climb, and we're up to 2.77% on the 10-year. Now, the 10-year reached, I think, 2.5 something. Well, let's take a look here real quick and find out what it went down to not long ago. So we're back up. We're starting to slide back up again now. You can see the real bottom down here. The bottom was 2.553, I think it was, back on January 3rd. And if we take a look, we can see we're bouncing right back up. She's starting to climb again, and she's been steadily climbing ever since. Let's spread this out so we can see it. We can see there's the bottom right there we reached, and on January 3rd, 2019, and we can see 2.55, and we can see her climbing back up. She's heading back up to 3.25. I'll tell you, that's a big mark, that 3.25 in my mind. When she crosses that line in the sand, and that's what I'm waiting for. You got to be patient with markets. Markets behave like this, and sometimes you have to be patient. Now let's take a look at the U.S. dollar index. Now, 96 point, oh boy, the dollar's just taken off. Just in the last little while. Looks like around 8 a.m. she started, and she's really taken off. Look at that. Look at that spike up in the price of in the dollar index. That's why the gold and silver price is dropping right there. There's your reason. The dollar's taken off. I don't really know what's causing the dollar to go up right this morning. I haven't checked into it yet. I'm going to have to. Had a headache all morning, for crying out loud. I'll tell you. Listen, thank you guys for listening to the market report. Really appreciate having you guys here. I'm going to be off for a couple days, but we're going to get back on probably no later than the middle of the week at the latest. So, going on a little vacation. I'm going to take you guys in my bag with me. I mean, in my cell phone on my thing, because I got to take my some of my equipment in order to do a program for you guys, And I mean, I can put my program out from just about anywhere that I got a good solid internet connection. So I'm going to take you guys with me. That's what I mean when I say that. We'll see you guys later. You guys have a great day, and bye-bye for now.